distinguished guests, Excellencies, Chairman of the House of Elders, although he left, former Vice Presidents, leaders of the national political parties, Wadanika Kulmiye, Honorable Ministers and Members of Parliament, Mayor and Governor of Hargeisa, former Speaker of the House of the Representatives, esteemed traditional elders, religious leaders, representatives of the friendly nations and diplomatic missions, the vibrant members of our civil society, and the heroic members of Somaliland diaspora, and most importantly, the proud and resilient people of Somaliland. And lastly, my best wishes to Chairman Faisal, my special friend. Also, I wish to welcome the special envoy from the President of the Republic of Djibouti, the large ministerial members from the Somali state of Ethiopia, the large delegation from Kenya, including large number of members of the Parliament of Kenya. Also, we have here today a sport legend, Kanu Babilo.